mix garments.
With
Right
best
now
quality.
you can see. Right, it's world's best quality. It's foreign return, which are returned from the outlet of foreign country in India.
White color.
It's a 90 kg bale if you purchase or top mix.
Best quality or best cloth.
Okay, all right. So what is right now? I'm doing something like this is the one bale you can see right now.
Cost you only 60 rupee kg, and if you buy in bulk, so and we have also.
So guys, finally these two guys wanted to say something from to you. Just say, mate.
Anna Vadakam.
Hello guys, welcome to right now we are representing this showroom or the outlet in English today for the South Indian customer who are belongs from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, like that state, who are not able to understand Hindi. So right now from today we are post every day or day after tomorrow or after one day we representing in English one episode every day. So right now we just starting the sewing the clothes.
Hello
so
friends,
please,
my name is Rohit,
And my name is Himanshu Malik.
so today we will show you some
garments.
tops.
Yeah. And this is cotton chiffon mix, right?
Okay, sir.
So this is cotton chiffon mix garments.
With
right
best
now
quality.
you can see. Right. It's world's best quality. It's foreign return, which are returned from the outlet of foreign country in India.
White color.
It's a 90 kg bale if you purchase this.
It's 90 kg bale and the rate of the bale is very less, like 200 rupees. Correct, Matt? 200 rupees per kg.
yeah.
So the rate of this bale
And
is
if
200
you
rupees per
subscribe
kg.
Malik Vlogs, definitely we will discount all this
Please
there.
subscribe
Okay.
to the channel. My
Here
Mr.
two brothers, Mr. Malik Blog and Mr. Ground Beast. If you subscribe both the channel, you get 10 rupees discount on any cloth in the showroom. It is very exclusive rate for you guys only who belongs from South Indian like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. So just see the grace and glaze of the
Especially
and
from
beauty.
Kerala.
sir, one question. My question is that what is the price of this bale?
200 rupee kg, and if you subscribe both our channel Malik Vlogs and Mr. Ground Beast, it will be 10 rupees discount, and
190
final rate is 190 rupee kg.
Okay.
So if you subscribe my channel and brother channel, you will get
So what is the benefit of this bill, right? It is only cotton or cotton chiffon mix?
No, it's a pure cotton, but some pieces in this bale chiffon.
And cotton mix, right?
And
Okay.
this is blouse, not top.
Okay, this is blouse.
Shirt or top mix.
best quality or best cloth.
Okay, all right. So what is right now? I'm doing something like this is the one bale you can see right now, and after that we will represent all the outlet, and you can see all the bales, all the cloth.
And
Just
if
see.
you pressing this top,
Just see. Here near about $1 million diamonds are
Yes, sir.
tagging in this blouse, so you can earn lots of money by buying this type of blouse.
and my English is so poor, like me,
But
and
his-
like my bank balance.
But his heart is very big, so that is the reason. After, if he don't know, he is not able to speak English lots of very fluently, but also his heart is very big. That's the
Yes.
reason he is representing right now
Why
in
I
English.
am always here.
Yeah.
And I will tell you one thing. So guys, my question is that from my subscribers, what is the benefit of this business? First question. Second question is that what is the average profit?
If
margin?
you buying this bale, you earn, your profit is 9 or 10x.
अच्छा
हाँ.
guys 9-10%. मतलब
No, not 19%.
multiplier.
Multiply. Suppose
Like this is 10 rupees top, you sell in
100 rupees.
90 to 100 rupees.
10 multiplier.
हाँ.
मतलब आप
And we have another bales.
Yes.
I will show you. This is Angura Bhalu. This is Angura Bhalu, and this is very soft material. If you touch this, it will be very creamy, like this, cream quality. And we have another items like this is jacket.
yes.
This is 80 kg bale, and in this bale, including winter jacket, parka jackets, and lot of items like combo.
Okay.
In one bale, lot of items. If you purchase this bale only on this is 22D, only on 70 rupee kg, and if you buy say, it will cost you 85 rupee kg.
Okay, one question is that what is the scope of this business? If you customers newcomers,
If you spend your money like 5,000 to 10,000,
Yes.
it will be very potential business and growing market.
yes,
If
because
you- huh.
cloth is the cloth is a thing which we wear every day, which we buy every year, every festival. So you have to buy it from this and sell in markets, melas.
All types
sir.
of items we have like teddy
Nice.
bear, children, adult, men's, women's, lady, blankets, all type of items we have. I show you one thing also. This is men's sweater.
Yes.
The company is DS. Right now you can see this is DS belongs from Taiwan, and you will get the best quality in this product. Right now you can see that.
So color.
Just see the color and the grace and
This
the
is
beauty.
only for you 75 rupee kg.
75
And if
rupees.
you
My God.
subscribe my friend channel Malik Vlogs, 5 rupee discount extra for you.
Or sir, one
Means 70 rupees kg, right?
Yes.
sir, one question is that what is the color
So it's
quality?
Like, no. It's
all
have
types
multiple
of colors like white, black, blue, pink, all types of colors you will show.
So you can see right now every colors are present here. Right now you can see it's white, gray, blue, black, yellow, orange. Every type of color you can get in this bale, and the exclusive price is only 70 rupees per kg, 80 kg bale.
And we have also Aka Sabka Papa, this long coat, short coat.
This is long coat, right?
Yes, sir. Please come
Okay.
here.
So
And
this is-
it will be cost you only 60 rupee kg, and if you buy in bulk, so
you will get the price will down. if you buy 10 bales or 20 bales, the price will fall down from 60 to less. So right now you can see every type of color. Like as earlier I said, it's red, gray, blue, white, black, every color. It's Aka Sabka Papa. It is the best quality in the world.
Okay.
And unused quality.
So guys, thank you so much.
and we have also.
So guys, finally these two guys wanted to say something from to you. Just say, Matt.
Anna Vadakam.
I'm not.